My relationship with myself and the people around me have transformed since being supported by the team at the School of Intuition and Healing. Having access to the school's supportive community and their collaborative environment has made a huge difference in my life. It has helped me stay grounded as I navigate the normal stresses of the world, and as a creative person, I see the world differently. The systems we live in don't always benefit colorful people like myself and those who at the school who look at things much deeper than what meets the eye. The psychic development classes have been particularly transformative. I've learned how to incorporate my intuitive skills into my coaching, my leadership, and even my deeper understanding with my soul's mission and purpose. This journey has taught me how to harness these abilities in everything I do. It's been incredibly empowering to bring my intuition into my professional and personal life. The support I've received from the school has not only strengthened my relationship with myself, but has also deepened my connection with others. I'm so grateful for this opportunity and for this community and the growth that we've experienced here.